Hello everyone. Today we're going to provide an explanation of the hotel panel and demonstrate how to create a trip for our customers using the hotel panel. Firstly, let's start by logging in. We'll click on the Submit button to proceed. Now we are successfully logged in, as you can see here. Following the login, we come to the Pickup Address section. The pickup address is set to our hotel location and cannot be changed, as it is a fixture of our service. If there is a need to modify your address, please get in touch with your administrator. We book trips for our customers, but do not allow changes to the pickup address. However, the destination address is flexible. If a customer wishes to travel to a different destination, we can easily update it. Additionally, you can use the map pin to make these changes. Before we move on, let's understand the purpose of the hotel panel and how it operates. The hotel panel is designed to book taxis for hotel guests, providing them with convenient transportation services. This allows guests to travel comfortably to and from the hotel, either to the airport or other destinations. This service enhances the overall guest experience, ensuring a more enjoyable and stress-free stay. It also bolsters the hotel's reputation for excellent customer service. Now, let's go ahead and create a normal trip. During this process, you'll notice an option to add a stop. This feature operates in a manner consistent with our website. There's a step-by-step guide explaining the use of the Add Stop function, and we also offer a video tutorial for adding multiple stops. Now, let's focus on selecting the type. You'll notice a notification has arrived. One notification pertains to coding for estimation, and the other indicates a driver is nearby your hotel pickup location. Following that, you can view the estimation. Here, we present our estimation, which includes the base fare, distance fare, time fare, and cancellation fee. Based on these fees, we finalize our pricing. You can also see our service type and the hotel pickup address. Additionally, the destination address is displayed, which is where the customer wishes to go. The distance between the pickup and destination addresses is also visibly here. We provide the estimated teaming as well. Now, let's look at the fixed rate. Based on this fixed rate, we can offer estimates if the customer prefers this pricing option. Currently, as you can see, we have options for immediate requests and ride sharing. Ride sharing operates similarly to what we've explained in our customer panel videos. For more details, you can refer to our ride sharing video, which is akin to our customer website. Moving on, let's head to user details. You just need to input any previous information you have, and you can search for it here. Additionally, you can add all the necessary details like phone number, first name, last name, email, room number, and floor number. We'll use this to search for users who are staying at our hotel and for whom we've already generated a trip. As you can see, when I click on the search button, all of the details are presented, and the details are filled in here. We can add a room number here. After adding the room number, we can also add the floor number. We have two different options for drivers: the nearest driver and the option to select a manual driver. If you prefer to choose a manual driver, you simply click here. Upon selecting a manual driver, all the information appears, allowing you to select the nearest driver. At this point, you can't see any driver details yet, but as soon as you click the Right Now button, driver information becomes available should any driver accept your trip. After a driver accepts your trip, you can view all the driver's details. Next, we need to click here for immediate service or to schedule a trip. Scheduling a trip works similarly to the feature on our website, for which we can provide videos for guidance. So here, we proceed with Ride Now. Here you'll notice the fixed rate available, which is calculated based on our estimation. Should you choose the fixed rate, you can click Yes. If you opt out of the fixed rate and prefer to pay according to time and distance, you need to select No. After making your choice, the details of your selection are here for you to review. Finally, you'll see the confirmation when our driver accepts the trip. Click here to see all the details of your trip. Create 4 customers and choose a driver for them. Here, we can see the customer details, and over here are the driver details, including the driver's name and the destination address. This section is for the service drive, and here you can view the trip status and have the ability to change it by clicking the button, including the date and timing. If necessary, cancellations can be made here as well. The map shows details around the pickup and destination addresses. If you need to return home and create another trip for customer, you can click on Home. We can also update our driver when we click on Status button, your trip has started. Similarly, we notify customers about their trips. Here, you can see all the details of the customer and the driver for your trip in the hotel panel. When the trip is complete, you can see that our trip has been completed. You can view all the details in menu to click Completed Requests, including user and driver details. Also view the pickup address and destination addresses. You can also see these locations on the map and download the invoice if needed. Furthermore, you can send this invoice to your customer. Here, you can also view the entire status history, such as when the trip was created, accepted by the driver's arrival, and when the trip started and was completed. This demonstrates the flow of how our hotel panel works, from creating the trip to completing the trip. We hope you understand this flow. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your time and values.